Good morning, you guys. We are out here at the property today. We're going to be putting out some trail cameras. We're going to be we're getting ready for hunting season, and we know we've already got hogs and we've got deer crossing the property. So we've decided to come out here and go ahead and start prepping for the season, man. So more to come. Stick with us.
Baby, you made short work of that palm.
Yep.
What you doing?
Clearing out obstacles.
You checking for some Gatomites?
Making a clear space. But yeah, always check for them Gatomites.
Babe, what was like the worst thing that you had happen while you were sitting in a tree?
Gigantic palmetto bug fall on me. Biggest one I ever seen.
Was it like a foot big?
He was gigantic. He was huge. He when he landed on me, hit with such a thud, I thought that like a rock fell on me. Yeah, it was a scary moment. I don't like bugs.
Got it where you want it?
Sort of. Maybe not. I was sliding all the way down the damn tree. Oh boy. About right there.
Alright, so if we looking right there, we are going to be seeing the spot right in here. What happened?
Strap broke.
Why are you trying to break things? Kind of view we get. You were the trail cam.
Got dirt in my eye.
And it's like a forked area. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little section over there that's kind of cleared out, and it forks to the right and it forks to the left, and we're trying to figure out what is using this trail. What do you think, guys?
Good morning, guys. It's Chris with Southern Traditions. I got my e-bike loaded up and we're ready to go do some scouting out one of our local public management areas. Let's go see what we can come up with. I'm going to set some trail cams today. I'm going to look for some sign. Most importantly, I'm going to look for other hunters. We'll see when we get out there. I made it out to the deer woods. I'm getting some scouting in. I brought the e-bike out here. It seems to make it a little bit easier. This is a Hemingway zebra step through that I did in some camouflage vinyl. It's just a wrap, but I'm hoping to protect it a little bit. And obviously the biggest thing today is stay hydrated. In Central Florida here, as you can see, it is hot, 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 hot. Anyways, hopefully I can get some camera set up and, you know, see some good sign today. And most importantly, try to stay away from those humans. Well, I'm just out here walking around and I just happened to come across one of these really big nope ropes. If you guys see one of these out here, just leave them jokers alone. They're small, but they're mean. Florida's pygmy rattlers.
Get the walk out.
What we deal with all the time.
stay for a while, won't you rest yourself? You know it ain't such a shame to have lost yourself. You know it ain't such a shame to have lost yourself. Cheap red wine, all my sacred sins and all your dirty lies. And I ride, and I ride, and I ride, and I ride. I keep riding even when I don't know why. I keep riding even when I don't know why.
Hey guys, we're out here on the property. So we got this deer feeder put up. It's just a small gravity feeder that we put in this area because we're just trying to get an idea of what kind of animals are passing through this little zone, and a feeder is a great way to hold them in one spot for a little while. So we're going to be doing that just to figure out who's crossing through here. We've seen some deer and seen some hogs here and there, so we just want to see what exactly is coming through here. We're also going to spread some corn out over this whole area. As you see, we cut the grass down low. We've trimmed back some of the bushes and some of the overhanging branches and that sort of thing. So we'll be spreading some corn through this whole area just to kind of invite the animals in, let them be comfortable, let them feed a little bit, so that our cameras that are hidden in various spots will show us what's actually coming through here. So more to come on that later.
All right, guys, I'm all done for today. I did get on a couple nice real solid rub lines with a couple scrapes on them. Put some cameras on. So I'll be out here in a couple weeks to check those out. Deer season's right around the corner here in Zone C. I'm getting pumped. I know Brandon's getting pumped, and we hope you guys are getting pumped. Make sure you guys are staying hydrated and be safe. Bye.
Hey guys, Brandon here with Southern Traditions. So we're over here at Chris's. We're doing a little shooting on the bows, testing out our saddles. Some of the things we're trying to do here is just kind of hone in our skills, refamiliarize ourselves with our setups, with our gear, how it all works. I mean, we put this stuff away for months at a time. We do practice a little bit throughout the year, but we don't really pull everything out when we do. So we want to be better at shooting. We want to make sure that our shots are clean, make sure that we're putting down these animals quickly and efficiently. We don't like animals to suffer, but we do need the meat, so that's why we're here. All right, I'm gonna kill your deer first, and then I'm gonna take some shots at your 30-yard back.
All right, go for it. All right.
Ready?
Yep. Look like a dead deer to me.
I think that's a heart shot.
I zoom on in. That looked like 2 heart shots.
2 heart shots.
I thought you just shot only 1 arrow.
What the hell?
You crazy, Robin Hood.
You ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna go 30.
Oh, 30, huh?
Dead center.
Ooh.
You ready?
Yep. Can't tell. Leg shot, buddy. You might even dump it. I gotta look at the camera. So what we got, buddy? Definitely. But that's two dead deer. That's two good shots. Didn't you shoot 4 arrows? Where's Petta? Where'd it go? Oh. What's that one for? That looks like a dead deer to me. Where are we at? That's way better than I was on. That ain't bad. I'll take that. Wait till you see mine. All right, so we just climbed down. We're taking a look at some of the archery practice that I got going. This first target's going to be a deer target. It's at 14 yards, and I'm really trying to play around with just letting my bow drift. So when we look at this, we look at it and we're like, oh man, that's going to go right through a shoulder. Well, I happen to be shooting some new broadheads this year that I really want to test that theory out, and I think they're going to blow right through these Florida deer. So this isn't too bad. Moving up to the next one is going to be my 20-yard bag target. It just happened to fall on the first shot. But I made it work, and you know, you're just trying to get it as group close as possible.
It's a pretty good shooting, buddy.
It's not bad.
Especially since it's in the dirt.
In the dirt. And from the angle that I got on that.
Yeah.
So moving along, we got our 30-yard super mega obstructed shot. I really have no clue where these things place. I had no idea how this was going to turn out, but I was just aiming for the middle. And as you can see, that one did a good job.
That's about the shot right there.
The idea of shooting through this little grass really isn't too terrible for where we're at here in Central Florida.
There's lots of grass, lots of palm fronds. I mean,
yeah, all the things.
Obstructed shots are pretty common.
Some of the stuff you just have to be able to make sure it is what you want to shoot.
It's literally a jungle. I mean, look at this place.
There's probably 70 different varieties of vegetation.
So we got a couple of good shots here on our 3D deer target. That would have definitely been a good double longer. This one looks like it would have hit the heart. Now, for some reason it kicked up. I don't know if that happened when it penetrated the deer, but I think upon initial entry it would have been a very good shot. However, keep on going down. We're going to take a look at the 20-yard bag. Got a definite kill shot on our first shot right through the red zone there. Front one was a little forward. I'm not real happy with that shot. We could have done better there, so we'll try to hone that in and see what went wrong. These arrows are kind of old, so I'm going to blame it on the arrows and their crappy fletchings.
That's right.
Definitely couldn't be me.
Let's check out this obstructed one. This is going to be the real good one. I thought you did great on the first one.
The first one, I did what Chris said. I just aimed for the middle, and sure enough, hit right in the middle where we wanted. This one I could actually kind of see from the stand there, and I did try to put it dead on here. I'm off about an inch, but still a very good shot there on that target. But yeah, the aim for the middle worked really good, Chris.
Look at the obstructive view.
Definitely obstructed.
Good job, buddy. Good job. All right, guys, I got Lucas up here in the tree stand. He's gonna start practicing here with his crossbow. We're gonna make sure he's super accurate so he can put some meat in our freezer. Well, in our friends' freezers. No, we'll see how he does. Whoa, good shot.
nothing.